This song goes out to every person who professes the name of Jesus Christ, but did not recognize Charlie Kirk as your brother. This song also goes out to the Christians who are race baiting, also to the ones who want to accept Jesus only if he's your skin color. And most importantly, Jesus, this song is for you. You have the power to make the seasons change. The rivers flow for you. The wind whispers your name. For me, you left your throne and traded crown for thorns instead. I'm saved within, not by your skin, but because your blood was red. Some say you're black, you're white. They question if you're real. We treat you like we treat ourselves. I wonder how you feel to see your children fight in spite the tears for us you shed. It doesn't matter what color you are, as long as your blood was red. We may be different, but the God we serve's the same. Yet every Sunday we separate and bring the Father pain. Your name is higher than any other, yet you took my place instead. It doesn't matter what color you are, as long as your blood was red. Oh, precious is the flow that makes me white as snow, and no other fount I know. It doesn't matter what color you are, as long as your blood was red. It doesn't matter what color you are, as long as your blood was red.